Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to freeze rows in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy, so let's get started. So, for freezing rows, on the top, go to View tab, and here you will find the option Freeze Panes. So just click on it. And now here, if you click on this option, Freeze Top Row, then your top first row is freeze. When I move to the bottom, as you can see, our top first row freeze successfully. If you want to freeze custom or more than one row, like I want to freeze these top 3 rows, so you need to move your cursor to the 4th row and then freeze panes. Because where you set your cursor and freeze panes, then it will freeze all the rows on the top of your cursor. So just for showing you, I set the cursor to the 4th row and highlight it for better understanding. Then go to View. And here in the Freeze Panes, select the first option, Freeze Panes. And as you can see, it will freeze all the rows on the top of my cursor. So in this way, you will freeze rows in Excel. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.